Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share unboxing of this Warhammer 40,000 Dark Angels Company Veteran Squad. By now these are probably known as the Legacy Marines or the Firstborn. They're definitely smaller sized miniatures than the new primaries, but since I started my Dark Angels in 2018, 17, I don't remember. I bought a few miniatures from the previous range, and some of them are painted. I like to show them at the end of the video, and this one is one of the veteran squad boxes I have left. Okay, so one of these boxes did cost back then 20 British pounds. I bought it from Triple Helix War Games and they give me discount, so they were 15. I did not check what is the pricing in 2020. Yeah, I don't know if they are still available, because lots of them are getting mysteriously vanishing from the website and all from the stock of the retailers. So inside the box we have just a standard black and white manual, what tools do you need and how to assemble your 5 veteran squad. You can use different war gear, so different swords and armaments. Also you will get a nice decal sheet. So these are supplied on 25 millimeter basis, and you will get almost 3 sprues, or 2 and 3/4. Yeah, and they are all 3 are different. Let me check when was this sprue manufactured, or should I say when was the mold or the die. 2006. So the die for this sprue was manufactured in 2006. I don't know how long they have produced them, or maybe just made around few tens of thousands of sets and then discarded the die. Who knows? But let's see. So on this one we have all the torsos. You will get 1 spare Terminator, a leg part. Also I will get a few options, so we can use different pauldrons. These are nicely sculpted. Then the upper torsos. Then we have few options for the shield. 1 backpack is right there, a nice book. Yeah, all different kinds of trinkets, and so on this sprue we have weapons. So we have 2 Terminator weapons, one with the power sword and one with the autocannon. Then a few banners, for your backpack or power plant, and your bolt guns. Really nice stylized Dark Angel backpacks or power plants here. A nice pair of wings. So this is a really nice piece of plastic you can get. I will probably use this one on my Primaris Chaplain to make a nice crosius. Probably it should be fine, because the Primaris Chaplain, the standard, the first one, comes with a really awful stick for a crosius, so no wings and no feathers there. Yeah. And the last sprue here, we get some plasma weapons, chainswords, bolt pistol, melta, flamer, rockets, auspex. This is even older, 2005. There's a few head options right there. You can definitely go with the hooded options right here. And the sergeant should be without helmet. So now let me share with you the first squad I painted back I don't know, a year ago. So this one sports a nice shield with a plasma pistol, this one with a chainsword and a bolt pistol. Has a nice skull vents on the power pack. This is your standard Marine pose with the bolt gun, bolt rifle, and another one with just the pose, come at me bro. And then the sergeant or the leader of the squad, power sword and plasma pistol. Yeah, these are not based right now. I just waiting to finish up a few more squads and then choose the base scheme what I will use on my whole Dark Age army. Okay, so this was the unboxing of the company veteran squad from the Legacy line from Citadel or Games Workshop. So the Firstborn Marines. Yeah, multi-part plastic kit. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. As always, I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but also hobby stuff like tools, unboxings, and Warhammer, general Warhammer stuff around the hobby, so collecting and painting. So thanks for watching, wish you a wonderful day, and see you soon.